This was probably day 60 something, maybe 70-ish. We were getting ready to leave the following day, so I put in late hours and got the buggy 90% of the way there. Back on Black Friday, I said I will drive the buggy into Motorama. I didn't say I want to, so we really pushed to see if we can make that happen. So make sure you watch the video to see if we achieved our goal. And if you did stop by Motorama, thank you guys for stopping by, and hope you enjoy the video. As you saw in the last video, we got the graphics installed. 386 Fab's graphic guy really killed it on the graphics. And here I'm installing the A&A manufacturer fancy finish washers, I guess you'll call them. They just make the whole end process look a lot cleaner. And if you can see that edge, I put a boat liner or like EDM foam on the roof to keep down on heat and noise. Makes it look really finished. Next on the list is to make sure everything's got fluid and fire it up again. First drive was around 10 o'clock at night, the night before we had to leave. Everything went pretty well. I had a rear steer valve fail, but I could still drive it, so around 6 o'clock in the morning I loaded on the trailer to head to Motorama. And make sure you stick around and hit that subscribe button, because the next video will be Motorama. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.